I've tried using the easy weaner type nose rings to wean the calves off this year, and put the calves back out in the paddock with the cows. And you can see there, like, the way this cow is interacting with this calf. She is still looking after him, or her, sorry, and you know, they wean along beside them. They don't get access to the milk because the rings actually stop the calves suckling on the cows. But you know, it's very, very, very quiet way to wean. There's no stress on the calves, and the mother can still be with the baby and finish off the process. And after about 2 weeks, we'll yard them all up again, and we'll take the nose rings out. We'll wash them in soapy water, and we'll store them for use next year. So I think they've been a really good investment, and we're hoping to see that our weaning weights won't be changed at all. They'll still be good, and we also hope to be able to use these time and time again. And the big benefit of this is to be able to run all the cows and calves in the one mob, so which fits into our regenerative grazing ag model that we have here. So it's been really, really interesting. It's the first time I've ever done this. I've seen them around, always thought they were a bit of a hobby farmer deal, but anyway, we're going to give them a try and we'll see what happens.